4. You drop down. Once you stretch, you come back like that. You drop down. Once you stretch, you come up like that. Just like give it a try. What is up? What is up? What is up? It's morning again. Rise and shine. Let's go in the gym. So if you're always waiting for that perfect time when you'll be free for you to start going to the gym, well, I guess that time won't never come. You drop down. Once you stretch, you come back like that. You drop down. Once you stretch, you come up like that. Just like that. Let me see it right. Yep. 3. Chest out, chest out, chest out. Yep. Let's go. 4. Skip. Sit.